create a recipe, beverage, and show it on the user interface. Create a recipe. When setting up a new enhanced layout, we advise to delete all recipes in use and beverages. In this example, we're going to create an espresso recipe via recipes in use. 2.4.1. Then give your new recipe a name. Then set the dispense time. Then add preparation. Here we can set the product in this recipe, the left bean container. The water volume for the first step. And the grammage of the coffee. In the tab Advanced, we can set some advanced parameters for the specific recipe. Initial delay. For example, this can be used for a latte macchiato. Water pump pressure during infusion. This parameter is normally set between 60 and 70%. For smaller drinks up to 80%. The pressure may not be more than the value of the safety valve. Water pump pressure during pre-infusion. We leave this to 100. Pre-infusion time, we can set this to 3 seconds and the dose to 10 milliliter. You can play with this from 10 to 15. The percentage pressure second step is the tamping after the PE infusion. Normally set to 10%. Add customization. New feature switch coffee type is interesting with 2 bean to cup. When you set it, you have to select the default value of the left or right canister or grinder. 0 is for left and 1 is for the right grinder. Now we have created a recipe and show you how to add it to a beverage. Go to 2.3.1, Displayed Beverages, and add a new beverage via the plus symbol. Use the same name as the recipe you created. Select the recipe. Set the playlist if applicable and the other normal parameters. Choose an existing or new image. Save the beverage. To show the new drink in the screen, we go to Display 2.1. In this menu, we can edit the category. In this case, we edit the category Coffee Classics and add the espresso drink. Save the settings. When closing the program menu, the drink you made is visible in the screen. Thank you for watching.